What's going on, guys? On today's episode of OK Cooks,
We're making a Chick-fil-A Crunchwrap.
let's get Alex, what are we going to be putting in this Chick-fil-A Crunchwrap?
Well, I'm glad you asked. We're gonna have the classic Chick-fil-A Sandwich. Also classic, the Waffle fry. You wanna taste? Oh, hello.
Hello.
We're going to have a little bit of cheese. Obviously, a little bit of tortilla, crunchy and soft. And then the amount of pickles that they gave us. Unbelievable. Pickles are going in there.
It's our pleasure.
Chick-fil-A sauce and queso.
For this Chick-fil-A Crunchwrap, we're not going to need that bun. Let's go ahead and get rid of the bun. See
What do we
later.
do with it?
Save it for later. Save it for dipping. I don't know. But we don't need it.
Okay.
So we're not going to need the
Oh.
bun. Oh, more pickles.
Discovery.
But we are going to want to do some nice slices of that Chick-fil-A chicken fillet.
Yeah, we'll cut it into some tasty little strips here.
Would you call that a chicken fillet chicken fillet?
I
kinda
would call
confusing.
this a Chick-fil-A chicken fillet.
No. It's chicken fillet.
Yeah, that's describing what this item is. It's a chicken fillet.
Chicken fillet is the restaurant. That is a chicken fillet.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
Do you know why I call it chicken fillet?
2,000 years later.
Now that the chicken's prepped, let's get our tortilla ready. I want to butter the side that's going to be the outside.
Makes sense.
It's a little bit messy, but let's just get it pre-buttered. Because the last thing you want is an unbuttered tortilla.
Yeah, it'd be dry.
Smear it around. Flip it around. The first thing we're going to need to do is put a little bit of cheese in the middle. And for today, we're using some Colby Jack Blend. Then we're going to lay down tostada. Now that we've got our tostada down, we're going to do a little layer of these waffle fries.
There you go. That's perfect.
So now that we've got a little layer of waffle fries, we're going to put a little layer of the chicken. Ooh. Oh, come back.
Lost one.
Oh no.
It doesn't want to stay.
He's gonna stay.
That looks good.
Perfect.
So now that the chicken's down, let's do a little bit of layer of the Chick-fil-A sauce.
Okay. Time for pickles.
Pickles.
Not Wickles pickles.
Chick-fil-A pickles. I mean chicken fillet pickles.
Good correction. All right, now queso?
A little bit of queso. Not a lot.
Not a lot.
Just a little hint. Perfect. Look at that. Last thing we need to do, layer of waffle fries on top. Maybe just these. Ooh, probably just like 3 will work.
Yeah, get that one in there.
You thought we were done. We're not done. One more tostada. Ooh, you gotta. It's okay if it breaks a little bit. Just, oh yeah. Oh god.
A bit more cheese?
A little bit more cheese on top.
Perfect.
Then we're gonna grab this tortilla. You gotta be a little gentle with the guy, because this is not. Oh,
Hold
boy.
it, work it around. We need a spatula. We need a spatula.
We're gonna need one. I'm getting greasy. Put a little spatula on top. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Should I wash my hands?
I don't think so.
I don't think so. It's time to put this Crunchwrap down. Oh boy, here we go. Here we go. Oh.
Oh yeah. Sizzle me timbers. I don't think this could be bad.
Oh. Come here, little guy. This little piece of that tostada just. Now, we never said it was going to be the prettiest Crunchwrap you've ever seen.
And it's definitely not.
Now that this Chick-fil-A Crunchwrap is ready, let's take it off the hot pan. I can't wait to cut that and get inside it.
That was like sexual and murderous at the same time. I can't wait to cut that and get inside it. So the last step to any good Crunchwrap is the right garnish. So for our chicken filet Crunchwrap Supreme, we're gonna garnish with pickles.
As they say in France, cela vous cadet de bleu. That means,
Damn, that look good.
so now that it's beautifully garnished, let's cut it and see what's going on inside. Ooh, Chick-fil-A Crunchwrap. The acoustics in your house is A+. Oh my.
Do you need a moment? He needs a moment.
You know what time it is?
Time to eat it?
Time to taste it. Look at this. Look at that. Look at this. Look at that.
Cheers.
What is that?
Oh wow.
What is that?
A little bit of everything.
What is that flavor? Is that Chick-fil-A sauce? The pickles make it.
Totally agree.
If the pickles weren't in this, you'd be lost. I think I want some Polynesian sauce.
Ooh, yeah. Oh, good luck getting that open.
Oh, dude, I got it. I'm gonna take it up a notch with this Polynesian sauce. Because this is my favorite sausage. Oh, sorry, guy. Sorry, guy.
Oh my god. That was half of a container of sauce.
Chick-fil-A Crunchwrap.
Did it take it up a notch?
Oh my gosh, yeah. Polynesian it. Tell me what you think. How's that feel?
Oh yeah.
I think if we were to make this again, which we will,
Polynesian inside.
Polynesian and chicken fillet and queso inside, with more pickles. But I mean, right now, I mean, I like it as, I mean, I don't mind
Oh, the
doctoring it.
Polynesian sauce is the kicker. Wow.
Don't need that no more. Like, when I go to Chick-fil-A and I order a sandwich, I'm like, can I get 6 Polynesian sauces?
The answer is no.
They typically go, sir, that is my pleasure, but do you really want 6? And I say,
And then they say no.
and then they say no, and they just give me 2.
Yeah.
I'm gonna take this to the house. Wait a minute.
No. You don't need more. Did you save me any?
We got a whole nother one. You want more? Here, let me get you.
No.
Let me do you. Higher. Hold on. I got you. Hold on. Hold still. Stop moving.
Last bite.
Last bite. You're filthy, dude. Mm-hmm. He's so filthy.
Very filthy.
Ooh. Bleh.